first, let's create the actual project. This assumes that you already have installed Node.js, that you have the latest Node.js installation. Let's go into our directory for this course. Right now we have the Java server that we've been using for the last couple of weeks. Let's create another project, a brand new project, using npx. Oops, I can't see that. There we go. npx create React app. So create React app is a module that is provided to us by Facebook, right? And Facebook is the creator of React.js, right? And so they create this tool that allows you to create a boilerplate project, right? That already downloads all the necessary libraries, all the dependencies, right? It builds, right? And you can start it right away, right? With the Hello World application, okay? npx is a node package tool that comes with Node.js that allows you to install, run several of the Node.js packages and modules, such as this tool over here. And then we're going to call our project using the same nomenclature that we've been using. So we're going to have two client applications, right? We're going to have a React client application, and later on we're going to have an Angular client application, right? So that's why this is going to say client React. Later on, there's going to be a client Angular. We're going to use our username to denote, who owns this project, and also the semester that you're in. So SP20. So this is going to download a couple of packages. It's going to create a directory. It's going to create a Node.js project. Right? A Node.js project will have at least in there a single file, at least what's called the package.json file. It's a JSON file that contains JSON data in there. It's the equivalent in Java of the POM file, right? If you've been in the Maven project, you'll notice that there's a POM file, pom.xml, that does the same thing that package.json does. It describes the project, any dependencies that this project might have with other libraries, right? You need to download all these other libraries for your project to build. So same thing package.json does for our project, for our Node.js project. If we list, notice that we have a new directory in there. There it is, the client React. If we copy and go in there, notice that indeed we have a package.json file in there, right? That's the equivalent of it describes the project and all the dependencies. Plus, we have a node_modules. Node_modules is a directory that contains all the libraries that your project depends on, right? So any compiled classes, any compiled libraries would be under there, okay? Any binaries would be under there, right? So everything should go in the source except node_modules, right? Node_modules, you should always be able to reconstruct node_modules by doing a build, right? So that's that would never go in your source control, but everything else can go in source control. In public, we'll have the index page. In source is where we're going to spend most of our time, right? So let's take a look at the project.